Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to solve unable to make field private final java.lang.String.java.io file path accessible module java.base does not open java.io to unnamed module error. So without wasting your time, let's get started. As you can see, this error comes in action when we run a Gradle build completed project in Android Studio. To solve this error, we need to do some changes in our Gradle properties. To find the Gradle properties file, we need to click on Gradle scripts. Here you can see Gradle properties file. We need to click on it. Here we need to paste one code. I'll provide the same code in a description box. So here you can see this is the code. So we need to select this code by pressing Ctrl A. Then we need to copy it by pressing Ctrl C. Then we need to go back to our Android Studio. In Android Studio, here click on Enter and go to new line. Then press Ctrl V to paste the code in gradle.properties file. After pasting it, as you can see, Gradle file have changed since last project sync. So we need to click on sync now to sync this new code with our old file. Click on sync now. After clicking on sync now, you can see our static Gradle daemon started. It will take some time, so I will fast forward the video. So as you can see, build successful in 1 minute 46 seconds. So our project is successfully built. Our error is solved. So this is all about how to solve this error. Thanks for watching our video. Kindly like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notifications.